now I'm going to add some new data to the database, and I'll close the relationships window and open the customers table. And when I open the customers table, once they are related, you can see there's a plus sign against each record. So if I click that plus sign, this one shows me the connection to the higher table. If I open the higher table, there are no plus signs. That's because that's the central table. If I open the equipment table, I can expect plus signs, and there they are. If I click one of those, that links in to the higher table as well. So from here I can add data. I'm going to close these. And I can add data through the table or through a form. It doesn't really matter. I find the easiest and quickest way to add data is through a form. So I'm going to create a form up here. And again, this is Access 2007. You'll be using 2010 or a later version. So everything you need is here. It might look slightly different. I'm looking for the form wizard. And I have my tables in here. So I have the customer table, and I'll take every field from the customer table over to the right. I'll go to the higher details table and do the same, and I'll go to the equipment table and do the same. There's also a query at the bottom here, but I don't want that. And then next, and you have a choice here. There's a form with subforms, so that would be one form with all the customer details, and then one subform which contains the two other tables, or linked forms. It doesn't really make any difference. I'm happy with the subform, and then I'll do next. And you've got a couple of choices here, datasheet or tabular, doesn't really matter. And this is just decoration. That looks quite nice. And the name of the form, it's not just customers, I'll say all three tables, and then finish. So here's the first table, and inside here, here's higher details, and if we go along here, the equipment table is added in here too. So I'll add some data in the next video.